Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 22C from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 14, a vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground in such a way that from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of bottom of the tower is 30 degrees. Find first part, the height of the tower if the height of the pole is 20 meters. Second part, the height of the pole if the height of the tower is 75 meters. There is a vertical pole and a vertical tower. Okay, so that is standing pole and standing tower. Okay, vertical means standing. Now if you read the question carefully, the heights are different in both the cases. Okay, so the diagrams will be different in both the cases. Draw separate diagrams. In first part, the height of the tower you have to find and height of the pole is given. In second part, the height of the pole you have to find and the height of the tower is given. Okay, so draw separate diagrams because दोनों में heights are changing. Rest of the condition is same, the angles are same. The only thing is heights are changing. Okay, so coming to first part of the question, we'll focus on first part for now. Now there is a vertical pole and a vertical tower on the same level ground. So there is the same level ground and there is a pole and a tower. Okay, now we do know that pole का height is lesser compared to the height of the tower. ठीक है, टावर ज़्यादा टॉल होता है एंड पोल इज लेसर इन हाइट, सो वील कंसिडर पोल टू बी शॉर्टर एंड टावर टू बी टॉलर. ओके, सो देर इज अ लेवल ग्राउंड. ओके, देर इज अ पोल एंड अ टावर. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स नेम. ओके, लेट AB be the height of the pole and PQ be the height of the tower. ठीक है. Now a vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground in such a way that from the top of the pole the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degrees. So this is the pole and this is the tower. A is top of the pole, okay, and B is bottom of the pole. यहाँ पे टावर में P is top of the tower and Q is bottom of the tower. Okay, so what you are told, from the top of the pole, that is A, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degrees. So you are observing the top of the tower. So from A you are looking at P. So this will be the line of sight. ठीक है. Now this is line of sight. Angle of elevation is given. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle will be angle of elevation. Okay, so we have to construct a horizontal. So यहाँ से horizontal construct करो. The point from which you are observing, वही point से you will draw horizontal. Okay, so draw horizontal, that is sleeping line. Let's name this point M. Line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, that will be angle of elevation. ठीक है, so this is the angle of elevation. And the angle of depression of bottom of the tower is 30 degrees. Initially you are looking at higher level, तो angle of elevation form होता है. Then you are looking at a lower level, that is at the bottom of the tower. So bottom of the tower is at a lower level. Okay, so क्या form होगा, angle of depression form होगा. When you look at a lower level, angle of depression is formed. When you look at a higher level, angle of elevation is formed. So from the same point, that is the top of the pole, you are looking at the bottom of the tower. ठीक है, पहले you are looking at top of the tower, now you are looking at bottom of the tower. Now the angle of depression is 30 degrees. So this is line of sight, this is horizontal. Line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle is the angle of depression. All right. Now first part में the height of the tower we have to find and the height of the pole is 20 meters. So height of the pole is nothing but AB. AB is 20 meters. We have to find height of the tower, that is PQ. Okay, so PQ find करना है हम लोग को. Now PQ directly नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, directly we cannot find PQ. If you go to see, it is a side of a right angle triangle. PAQ right angle triangle हो रहा है. ठीक है, 60 plus 30, this angle is 90 degrees. So there is one more method of solving this question. I'll show you. First part solve करने का there is one more method. So I'll show you that method as well. But this method first I'll show you the easier method. Okay, easier method है but lengthy method है. Now Over here PQ directly नहीं find करेंगे, we'll find PM and MQ and then add the lengths and we'll get PQ. ठीक है, PQ is basically PM plus MQ. तो हम लोग दोनों individually find करेंगे. Now PM is a side of a right angle triangle. Okay, this PMA is a right angle triangle. Why? ये horizontal है, ये vertical है. Horizontal line and vertical line always form 90 degree का angle. Okay, so AM is perpendicular to PQ. ठीक है, this is horizontal, this is vertical. Now since this is 90 by linear पे this is also 90. So PMA is a right angle triangle, QMA is also a right angle triangle. I need to find PM and MQ. ठीक है, PM मुझे मिल जाएगा from this triangle and MQ, let's see how we'll find. MQ के लिए I don't need to consider a triangle. MQ is equal to AB. Why? Because this is a rectangle. ये rectangle form हो रहा है. ठीक है, so ABQM is a rectangle. From the figure only you can say. ठीक है. Why? Because this is right angle. We know this and this. This is vertical, this is horizontal. So angle क्या होता है? 90 degrees होता है. ठीक है, तो ये this angle, this entire angle is 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. This is vertical, this is horizontal. ठीक है, so pole forms 90 degrees with the ground. Three angles are 90, so automatically fourth angle will be 90 degrees. ठीक है, so sum of all angles of quadrilateral. So therefore this is a rectangle. Now opposite sides are equal. So if AB is 20 तो MQ भी 20 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो MQ मिल गया, दिस इज 20. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड PM. फॉर PM वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर दिस राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल PMA. So let's consider PMA. Can we find PMA? Sorry, can we find PM? Now this is a right angle triangle. We know one angle. We need to find PM. For finding one side, for applying trigonometric ratio, you're supposed to know one angle and one side. Do we know any of the sides over here? No. We don't know any side. But we can find one side. Which side? You can find AM. AM is a side of PMA also and QMA also. ठीक है, PMA में भी AM present है, QMA में भी AM present है. Okay, why QMA you will consider? QMA में this is a right angle triangle. By linear pair I told you this will be a right angle. Now this angle we know it is 30 degrees. What else do we know? We know MQ. It is 20. We know one angle, we know one side. We can easily find this side by applying trigonometric ratio. Okay, so AM easily मिल जाएगा from this. Okay, which trigonometric ratio? Angle का opposite we know. Angle का adjacent we have to find. This is adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent का relation we want. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from which trigonometric ratio? You get it from tan, TOA. Okay, tan of the angle. So tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is MQ, that which is 20, upon adjacent, that is AM. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon root 3. Okay, standard value table is equal to AM. So cross multiply and you will get AM is equal to 20 root 3. Correct? AM into 1 AM and 20 into root 3, 20 root 3. So AM मिल जाएगा. Now once you get AM, you can easily find PM. So first we'll consider this triangle and then we'll consider this triangle. From QMA you will find AM. Okay, and once you get AM you will consider this triangle and find PM. So एक बार PM मिल गया, add PM and MQ and you will get PQ का length. Okay, so we'll come to that part of the solution later. First let me show you the other method also. Okay, so let's see the other method. Now in the other method we are going to consider triangle PAQ. We'll find PQ directly. ठीक है, तो PQ is a side of this right angle triangle PAQ. करेक्ट, बिकॉज एंगल पी ए क्यू इज 90 डिग्री, 60 प्लस 30 90 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो पी क्यू एंड ए है, दिस इज 90 डिग्रीज. ओके, नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड पी क्यू. For that we need to know one angle and one side. Do we know angle and side? No, but we can easily find. Now in this triangle PAM, this is 60 degrees, this is 90 degrees, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will be 30 degrees, correct? This is 90, this is 60, so 90 plus 60 150, so 180 minus 150, this will be 30 degrees. So this is 30. All right, we know one angle. Now we need to find one side, either AP or AQ. Which one I can find, AP or AQ? I can find AQ. AQ मुझे easily मिल जाएगा. How? For AQ I'll consider triangle ABQ. Okay, ABQ is a right angle triangle. मुझे AQ find करना है. Okay, so AQ you can easily find. This is 20 meters and angle AQB is 30 degrees. This is 30, angle of depression is 30. So A से Q पे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो 30 होता है, एंड इफ Q से A पे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन होता है. एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज सेम. Okay, so this is 30, this will be 30. So I know one angle, I know one side, I can easily find the other side using trigonometric ratio. So angle का opposite I know. Now this is not adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse का relation you get from which trigonometric ratio? From SO, that is sine. Okay, so sine of the angle is equal to opposite side, which is 20, upon hypotenuse, which is AQ. Okay, sine 30 is nothing but half. Okay, is equal to 20 upon AQ. So just cross multiply, so you will get AQ is equal to 40. So AQ मिल गया. Now you can easily find PQ. एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड वी नो, एंड एंगल का हाइपोटेनस, दिस इज हाइपोटेनस नॉट एडजेसेंट साइड. सो हाइपोटेनस फाइंड करना है. सो ऑपोजिट एंड हाइपोटेनस अगेन वी रिलेट बाय यूजिंग साइन. ओके, साइन इज ऑपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेनस. सो यहाँ पे वील टेक साइन 30 इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट, दैट इज AQ, विच इज 40 अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, विच इज PQ. Okay, sine 30 is again half, 40 upon PQ. So cross multiply, PQ is equal to 80. So you can easily find PQ. ठीक है, पहले we'll consider this triangle ABQ. Okay, by taking angle of elevation. We know one angle, we know one side, we can easily find AQ. AQ मिल जाएगा, उसके बाद PAQ consider करो, you can easily find PQ. Okay, so this is one other method. Okay, this is little tricky method, so I would suggest use the first method. Okay, now over here the given information, for that leave some space, leave 4-5 lines. Okay, and then draw the diagram below. Don't draw the diagram first, because first part का diagram is different and second part का diagram is different. So what you can do is leave 5-6 lines, ठीक है, and then draw the diagram. According to the diagram it becomes easy to write the given information. Okay, so AB is the pole and PQ is the tower. So we'll just write down AB and PQ represent the heights of the pole and the tower respectively. Then AM and BQ are the horizontals. Okay, from between AB and PQ. ठीक है, now from A we are observing P and Q. So from point A, angle of elevation of P, that is angle PAM, is 60 degrees. Okay, and angle of depression of Q, that is angle QAM, is 30 degrees. Okay, so draw the diagram, but first leave some space for the given. So this given is common for both the parts, first as well as second part. ठीक है, एंगल्स तो सेम ही है, सिर्फ हाइट्स चेंज हो रहा है. So for the first part, now what are you given? You are given the height of the pole and height of the tower you have to find. So AB you are given, that is 20 meters. We have to find PQ. So in first part you are given AB is equal to 20 meters. Okay, so just write this down. Okay, now draw this figure and then write this down. ठीक है. Now PQ find करने के लिए first we'll find MQ. We know AB is equal to MQ. ठीक है. So for that we'll consider this rectangle. So quadrilateral ABQM is a rectangle. From the figure only you can say. So therefore I can say opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to MQ. Okay, opposite sides of rectangle are congruent or equal. So you have to give reasons. ठीक है. So AB is 20. So MQ is also 20 meters. Okay, MQ 20 हो गया. Now we need to find PM, but PM directly नहीं मिलेगा. PM में we'll consider triangle PMA. Okay, but over there we know the angle but we don't know one side, so we need to find AM. AM हम लोग को मिलेगा from QMA. Okay, so we are going to consider this triangle QMA. QMA is a right angle triangle. This is 30 degrees. Okay, and we know MQ is 20, so we can easily find AM. Okay, AM मिल जाने के बाद then we'll consider triangle PMA. So in triangle QMA, now angle QAM we know, so just write down all the given information, the angle, side, whatever you know. Angle QAM is 30 degrees, then MQ is 20 meters. Okay, so angle का opposite we know, we need to find adjacent. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from which trigonometric ratio? From tan. Tan is TOA, opposite upon adjacent. So we'll take tan of the angle is opposite side. Opposite is MQ. Adjacent is AM. Okay. So tan 30 is what? Tan 30 from the table you get 1 upon root 3. ठीक है. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to MQ is 20 upon AM. So AM is equal to 20 root 3. Correct. So AM मिल गया हम लोग को. Okay. Now we need to find PM using this triangle PMA. So let us consider PMA now. So PMA, this is 60 degrees and AM we found 20 root 3. Angle का opposite we need to find and angle का adjacent we know. So opposite and adjacent का relation again from tan. Okay. So we'll consider triangle PMA. Angle PAM is equal to 60 degrees and AM is equal to 20 root 3. Correct. So tan 60 is equal to angle का opposite that is PM upon angle का adjacent that is 20 root 3. What is tan 60 from standard value table? It is root 3. ठीक है, is equal to PM upon 20 root 3. So shift this. 20 root 3 into root 3 is equal to PM. What is root of a number into root of the same number? Square root of a number into square root of that same number gives the number. ठीक है, square root vanishes, so it will be 3. So PM is equal to 60. So this is 60 meters. PM plus MQ will give PQ, that is the height of the tower. So PQ is equal to PM plus MQ, which is equal to 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80 meters. So box this, write down the statement. The height of the tower is 80 meters. Now we'll proceed to the second part of the question. Coming to second part of the question. Now in second part we are given the height of the tower and we have to find the height of the pole. So the diagram is going to be same. You'll draw the diagram again, okay? You won't consider the same diagram of first part. So diagram वापस से draw करना है in second part. Everything is same, angles are also same. The only difference is AB की जगह पे PQ दिया हुआ है, okay? And PQ is how much? 75 meters. Okay, so if PQ is 75 meters, how much is AB? We have to find AB, that is the height of the pole. ठीक है? So height of the tower is given to us. Now AB I know is equal to MQ, correct? Because this is a rectangle. So AB का length I can find if I find length of MQ. Okay. Now MQ is a part of PQ. करेक्ट, MQ इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ PQ. सो PQ मुझे पता है बट MQ मुझे नहीं पता है. सो MQ मैं डायरेक्टली नहीं फाइंड कर सकती हूँ, ओके? बिकॉज MQ के लिए इफ़ आई कंसिडर ट्राइंगल QMA, दिस ट्राइंगल, ओके, MQ इज़ अ साइड ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. सो इफ़ आई कंसिडर QMA, सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग दिस सेपरेटली फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ठीक है? Now if you consider this triangle, मुझे MQ फाइंड करना है. I know one angle, but do I know any side? I don't know. But I do know that AM is a side of QMA also, and it is also a side of PMA. Correct? First part में भी हम लोग ने वैसे ही रिलेट किया था. AM is a side of both the triangles, both the right angle triangles. So let us draw PMA also. So PMA, I'm drawing this separately for easy understanding, ठीक है? बहुत easy हो जाता है. Now AM is present in both. So what I'll do is I'll relate AB with MQ. AM with MQ, sorry. AM को MQ से relate करेंगे, okay? So taking trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio? Angle का opposite and this is angle का adjacent, correct? So this is angle का opposite side, this is adjacent side. AM is adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent का relation you get from which trigonometric ratio? From tan. So tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is MQ, upon adjacent, that is AM. I don't know AM, but what I'll do is I'll write AM in terms of MQ. I'll tell you why. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. It is equal to MQ upon AM. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सो AM इंटू 1 AM हो जाएगा, रूट 3 इंटू MQ, रूट 3 MQ, ओके? नाउ दिस सेम AM इज प्रेजेंट इन दिस ट्राइंगल, ओके? नाउ आई रिलेट AM विथ PM. AM को आई रिलेट विथ PM. वाई? PM एंड MQ आर पार्ट्स ऑफ PQ. PM एंड MQ मिला के आई गेट PQ, ओके? सो PQ फॉर्म होता है. So if I relate AM with both PM and MQ, तो I can relate PM and MQ. Okay? मैं PQ जानती हूँ, but do I know PM or MQ? I don't know. I don't know. So what I'll do is I'll relate these two parts. I'll relate these two parts via AM. Okay? So PQ पता है, but PM and MQ नहीं पता है. So PM and MQ I can relate via AM. Okay, so I related PM with AM and MQ with AM. Okay, so first I took this triangle, I related MQ with AM. Now I'll relate PM with AM. Okay, so PM को AM से relate करते हैं. Angle का opposite and angle का adjacent. Opposite and adjacent का relation again you get from tan. So tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is PM, upon adjacent, that is AM. Tan 60 is root 3, okay? So root 3 is equal to PM upon AM. Now shift AM over here and shift root 3 over here. So root 3 will go in denominator, okay? So AM is PM upon root 3. So AM is equal to this also, AM is equal to this also. So I can say LHS equal है तो RHS equal होगा, ओके? LHS में AM है तो AM का लेंथ तो सेम ही है. So this is equal to this. So from 1 and 2 वॉट डिड आई डू, आई रिलेटेड एम क्यू विथ पी एम, पी एम एंड एम क्यू को मैंने रिलेट कर दिया. ओके, सो आई कैन से √3mq is equal to pm upon √3. Okay, so if I shift √3, square root of 3 into square root of 3 gives 3. mq is equal to pm. So now I found the relation between mq and pm. Okay, why I need this? Why? I know that pq is pm plus mq. Okay, I know PQ is PM plus MQ. Now PQ मुझे पता है 75 है. PM is nothing but 3MQ plus MQ. So now you see I related PM with MQ, so I can substitute this over here and find MQ का length. ओके, सो 75 इज इक्वल टू 3mq प्लस mq हो जाएगा 4mq. सो mq इज इक्वल टू 75 अपॉन 4. सो दैट इज 4 1s are 4. ओके, 35. सो इट विल बी 4 8s are 32. ओके, सो 3 remains. सो 4 7s are 28 and 20. Okay, 2 remains. So 5. So we get mq is equal to 18.75 meters. mq is nothing but ab. Okay, so ab find करना था. What I did is ab को mq से relate किया. Okay, now mq का लेंथ फाइंड करना है. mq डायरेक्टली तो मिलेगा नहीं बिकॉज मुझे पता नहीं है कि pm कितना है. pq में से pm सब्ट्रैक्ट करके mq मिल जाता, बट डू आई नो pm? नो. कैन आई इवन फाइंड pm? नो. सो व्हाट वी डिड, pm एंड mq को रिलेट किया वाया am. सो वी कंसिडर्ड qma, pma. ओके, एंड व्हाट वी डिड, am and mq, am and pm, then am in terms of mq, am in terms of pm. LHS LHS is equal, तो RHS RHS equal होगा. ओके, so this is equal to this. Now solve this. So you got pm is equal to 3mq. Now pq is pm plus mq. So pm I can say is 3mq. So 3mq plus mq. So you found the value of mq. mq is nothing but ab का length. So ab is equal to 18.75 meters. Okay, so now let us write down the solution in a proper manner. Okay, now QMA, I'm considering this triangle first. Okay, I need to relate AM with MQ. All right, so I'm drawing this separately for reference. So in triangle QMA, angle QAM is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now we'll take tan of the angle because I need to relate angle का opposite and angle का adjacent. So angle का opposite is MQ, angle का adjacent is AM. Tan 30 is 1 upon √3 from standard value table. Okay, cross multiply, so it will become AM is equal to √3 MQ. Okay, mark this as 1. Now we'll consider triangle PMA. So PMA, I'm drawing this separately for understanding. So PM को AM से relate करेंगे. So opposite and adjacent again. So in triangle PMA, angle PAM is equal to 60 degrees. Now we'll take tan of the angle. Opposite is PM, adjacent is AM. Tan 60 is √3 from standard value table. Okay, so PM upon AM is equal to √3. Shift AM and bring √3 over here because मुझे AM चाहिए in terms of PM. So mark this as 2. Now AM is equal to this also, AM is equal to this also, so I can say these two are equal. So from 1 and 2, I can say √3 MQ is equal to PM upon √3. Okay, shift √3, so 3 हो जाएगा. √3 into √3, 3. MQ is equal to PM. So PM is equal to 3 MQ. This is important. Okay, now I'll consider PQ. PQ is what? It is PM plus MQ. PQ is 75. PM is 3MQ. I am interested in MQ. I am not interested in PM. I am interested MQ का लेंथ कितना है, ठीक है. So 75 is equal to 4MQ. So MQ is equal to 75 upon 4. So MQ is equal to 18.75 meters. Now we'll say that AB is equal to MQ because they are opposite sides of rectangle. So therefore AB is also equal to 18.75 meters. So first we'll write down quadrilateral ABQM is a rectangle from the figure. Okay. Now therefore I can say AB is equal to MQ. So therefore AB is equal to MQ. Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent or equal. Now therefore AB is equal to MQ कितना है? 18.75 meters. So box this, write down the final statement. The height of the pole AB is equal to 18.75 meters. Don't forget to put correct unit. Let's read the next question. Question number 15. From a point 36 meter above the surface of a lake, the angle of elevation of a bird is observed to be 30 degrees. An angle of depression of its image in the water of the lake is observed to be 60 degrees. Find the actual height of the bird above the surface of the lake. Now, before proceeding with the question, let us first go through one concept of physics. So in physics, you must have learnt about mirror and images formed in the mirror. So we are going to go through a very basic concept. Let's say there is a mirror. ठीक है? So there is a mirror and you are standing in front of the mirror. Okay? So let's say you are standing over here in front of the mirror. Now let us assume the distance to be 2 meters. Okay? Now the image is formed in the mirror. You can see your image in the mirror. The image is actually formed behind the mirror. ठीक है? तो you are standing over here. The image will be formed on the other side of the mirror. So the image will be formed somewhere over here. Now you are the object and this is the image. Okay, so let's say this is the object, this is the image, and this is the mirror. Now the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. So जो image form होगा behind the mirror, उसका distance कितना होगा? उसका distance भी 2 meters होगा. So if you are standing at 1 meter का distance, image का distance भी 1 meter होगा. Okay, if you are standing at a distance of 5 meters, तो image का distance भी 5 meters होगा. So always the object का distance is equal to image का distance. So OM is equal to IM. Okay, this is very very important. You are supposed to know object distance is equal to image distance. Okay, so this is a mirror, this is the object, this is the image. So always the distance from the mirror, okay, object का distance and image का distance same होगा. Alright, now we'll be using this concept in the sum. Now let's proceed with the question. Let us read the question once again. From a point 36 meter above the surface of a lake, the angle of elevation of a bird is observed to be 30 degrees. An angle of depression of its image in the water of the lake is observed to be 60 degrees. Find the actual height of the bird above the surface of the lake. Now, there is a bird and you are observing the bird and its image. Okay, so bird is flying in the sky, alright, and its image is formed inside the water, that is inside the lake. So over here, the surface of the lake is acting like a mirror over here. Alright, so let us draw the diagram now. Now from a point 36 meter above the surface of a lake, so there is a surface of a lake. Let's say this is the surface of a lake, okay, this is water. So this is the surface, alright. From a point 36 meter above the surface of the lake. So ये surface है 36 meter above. So let's say you are going 36 meter above. Okay. Let the point be A. So 36 meter above the surface of the lake, we are observing a bird. All right. So the angle of elevation of a bird is observed to be 30 degrees. Now this is the point. Obviously the bird will be at a higher level. All right, because angle of elevation दिया है. So from this point you are looking at a higher level. Let's say the bird is over here. Okay, let's say the bird is over here. So यहाँ से you are observing the bird. So this is the line of sight, and यहीं से we'll consider the horizontal. All right, because the angle of elevation is given. Line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, that is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation of the bird is observed to be 30 degrees. Now you will not consider actual bird. You are going to consider a point object. Okay, so let's say it is an object O. Okay, so from this point 36 meter above the surface of the lake, a bird is being observed जिसका angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now angle of depression of its image in the water of the lake is observed to be 60 degrees. Now this is the bird, this is the surface of the lake, and its image is being formed inside the lake. Okay, of its image in the water of the lake, so it is inside. All right, so this is like a mirror, this is an object. Okay, mirror है, object है, तो image कहाँ पे form होगा? Other side पे form होगा. ठीक है, this object is above, so image will be formed below. All right, and we know that object का distance is equal to image का distance. Okay, all right. So यहाँ से let's say this distance is AB. Okay, so AB is 36 meters. Now this also we'll name. Okay, we need to name this. So यहाँ से draw this. Okay, now यहाँ से horizontal है, this is the surface of the lake, so we need to name these 2 points as well. Okay, this is the horizontal and this is the surface of the lake. So let's name these 2 points. Let's name is PQ. ठीक है. Now bird is over here, lake is over here, surface of the lake. So this is like object का distance, bird का distance from the lake. Now its image is being formed below. So यहीं से straight जाके image is being formed over here. Okay. So let's name this point as I. Now when you are observing the image inside the water, angle of depression of image in the water is observed to be 60 degrees. So from the same point you are observing the image now. Okay, now this is line of sight, this is the horizontal, so angle in between is 60 degrees, that is angle of depression. Okay, this is given to us. So I'll repeat. From a point 36 meter above the surface of the lake, we are observing a bird which is flying and उसका angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay, so line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle 30 degrees. Okay, you have to construct the horizontal. So AP is the horizontal. Okay, now this is the distance of the bird from the lake. We always consider perpendicular distance. Okay, so this is the distance. Now image is being formed inside the water. Okay, so जितना object का distance है from the surface of the lake, उतना ही image का distance होगा. So OQ will be equal to IQ. Okay, this is the mirror over here, this is the object, this is the image. Okay, so object distance is equal to image distance. Keep this in mind. This is a very helpful information and this will help us in finding the actual height of the bird above the surface of the lake. So this is a very important point. Okay, now angle of depression of image दिया है 60 degrees. Now we have to find OQ. OQ कैसे मिलेगा? Is it a side of a triangle? No. What we need to do is split OP and PQ, find करते हैं and then we'll add. ठीक है. Now PQ is equal to AB. Correct. इतना जो distance है वो तो सेम ही रहेगा. दिस इज लाइक अ रेक्टेंगल, सो ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो ए बी इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू. सो ये 36 मीटर्स हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. इतना डिस्टेंस तो 36 मीटर्स है. ओ पी फाइंड करना है मुझे. वंस आई गेट ओ पी प्लस पी क्यू विल गिव मी ओ क्यू. ओके, सो ओ पी इज आर एम. हाउ टू फाइंड ओ पी नाउ? ओ पी, it is a side of this right angle triangle. Correct. So if I consider this right angle triangle OPA, in OPA this is 30 degrees. We know this is a right angle triangle. Now what other information do we have? To find OP I need to know one angle and one side. Do I know the side AOAP? I don't know. So what I'll do in such a case? I'll relate OP with something. OP को किसी से relate करना पड़ेगा. Relate with which side? If you observe the diagram, OP को AP से relate करेंगे because AP is there in this one more right angle triangle. There is one more right angle triangle, this IPA. Okay, this big right angle triangle. Okay. So we'll consider IPA triangle. All right. In IPA there is AP. Okay. So we'll relate OP with AP, and that relation we'll use in this big triangle. All right. So let us see how we can relate OP with AP. OP is opposite of the angle and AP is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent का relation, that is TOA. Tan of the angle gives you opposite and adjacent का relation. So tan 30 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to OP upon AP. Cross multiply. So AP is equal to root 3 OP. Correct. We found this relation. So AP is root 3 OP. Now we'll consider this triangle IPA. Let us see if we can find something. So considering triangle IPA, okay, I'm just redrawing this triangle for understanding. So ये 60 degrees हो गया. AP is root 3 OP we got from this triangle. Okay, now PQ है. Okay, there is a point Q in between. PQ is 36 meters. This is also important. Now in triangle IPA, this is a right angle triangle. Correct. This is a right angle. ये right angle है तो ये भी right angle होगा by linear पे. Now angle का opposite somewhat I know and adjacent I need, because adjacent में there is root 3 OP and OP I need to find. Okay, once I get OP plus PQ will give me OQ. So aim is OP find करना है. OP के लिए I'll consider adjacent and ये opposite. Okay, hypotenuse को I don't know anything. So adjacent and opposite again come in TOA, tan. So I'll take tan of the angle. It is opposite, which is IP. Okay, or PI. So IP upon AP. Adjacent is AP. Now tan 60 is what? From standard value table root 3 होता है. Correct. IP I'll just break. It is PQ plus IQ. Correct. PQ का value I know and IQ. Now AP is root 3 OP. Shift root 3 OP on the other side. So root 3 into root 3, square root of a number into square root of the number gives the number into OP. Okay. PQ plus IQ. PQ is what? PQ is 36 meters. IQ is image from the surface of the water. Image distance is equal to object distance, that is OQ. So IQ I can say is equal to OQ. This is the very important part, very important substitution. So IQ is equal to OQ. Okay, so 3OP is equal to 36 plus OQ. Okay, so IQ I can say is equal to OQ. Now OQ is what? It is OP plus PQ. So just split this again. OQ is OP plus PQ. So 3OP, I'll shift OP again over here, like terms together, ठीक है. So it is like 3x and x, so you'll bring x together. So 3OP minus OP 2OP हो जाएगा. Here 36 plus PQ, again PQ is 36. So 36 plus 36 gives 72. So OP is equal to 72 upon 2, that is nothing but 36. So OP is 36 meters. So OQ क्या हो जाएगा? 36 plus 36, which is 72. Okay. So I hope this part is clear to you. Object distance is equal to image distance. This is a very important part of the question. Okay. So now let us write down proper statements and proceed with the solution. So let's draw the diagram now. This is the surface of the lake, okay, and there is a bird flying, okay. So we are going to consider a point object O, all right. Now object, and this is the mirror, so this will be object distance from the mirror, okay. Now image कहाँ फॉर्म होगा? यहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा, all right. If the object is on one side, image is formed on the other side. So object is on top, तो image form हो जाएगा below, all right. If the object is on the left, image is on the right, all right. So object is over here, image will be formed over here. Now from a point 36 meter above the lake, you are observing the bird. So 36 meter above point A, okay. So let AB be the distance 36 meter above. So this is vertical, this is horizontal, 90 degrees है. Now you're observing the bird. This is line of sight. You have to draw horizontal. Let's name the horizontal P. Let's name this point Q. So this angle of elevation is 30 degrees. All right. Now this is angle of elevation. Now observing the image. So angle of depression form होगा. Angle of depression is 60 degrees, okay. Now this is horizontal, this is vertical, so ये सब 90-90 होता है, okay. So all this is 90-90 degrees. Now we need to write down the given information. So this is the object, this is the image. First we'll start with that. So let O and I represent the bird and its image, okay. So O is object, that is bird, and I is its image. Now this is the surface of the lake, so BQ is surface of the lake. What else? AP is the horizontal from A, so AP is the horizontal from A to OI, correct. A से we are drawing horizontal to OI or OQ, all right. Now from A you are observing the bird and its image, but before that A is 36 meters above the surface of the lake, so AB is 36 meters, okay. Now from A you are observing O and I, so from A, angle of elevation of bird, okay, is 30 degrees, so angle OAP is 30 degrees, so angle OAP is 30 degrees. Now you are observing the image, so angle of depression of bird, image of the bird, that is, this is the image, so angle IAP is 60 degrees, okay. So all this information is important. Now coming to the very important information, this is the object, this is the surface of the lake, object है, image है, okay, and this is Q. So OQ is equal to IQ. OQ is equal to IQ. So object distance is equal to image distance from surface of the lake. Just write down. यहाँ पे mirror is surface of the lake. So from surface of the lake, write the entire thing. Okay. Object distance from surface of the lake OQ हो जाएगा and image distance will be IQ. Now we'll proceed with the solution. Okay. So now we have all the information. Now we'll start with the solution. We need to find the height of the object, that is bird, from the surface of the lake. So OQ find करना है. So we cannot find OQ directly. We'll find OP and PQ. PQ easily मिल जाएगा. PQ is equal to AB. Okay. So first write down quadrilateral ABQP is a rectangle. You can say from the figure only. You don't need to prove. ठीक है. So since this is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to PQ. So therefore AB is equal to PQ. Alright. Write down opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Now AB is equal to 36 meters. Therefore PQ is equal to 36 meters. Okay. So we got this. Now OP find करना है. OP directly तो मिलेगा नहीं. What we'll do? We'll relate OP with AP. Okay, for that we'll consider triangle OPA. So let us consider triangle OPA. In triangle OPA, I'll draw this separately. OPA, this is 30 degrees. OP and AP को relate करना है. Angle का opposite and angle का adjacent. For that we'll take tan of the angle. So first write down angle OAP is equal to 30 degrees. Now tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is OP upon AP. Tan 30 from standard value table, it is 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply AP into 1 AP. Root 3 into OP, root 3 OP. This is important. Okay. Now we'll use this in this big triangle IPA. Let us consider IPA now. So I drew this part separately over here. Okay. Now angle का opposite and angle का adjacent we have to relate. So again we'll take tan of the angle. Okay. So in triangle IPA, now first write down angle IAP is equal to 60 degrees and AP is equal to root 3 OP. So all the substitutions that we'll be making, you just need to write it down initially. So याद रहेगा. PQ is equal to 36 meters. Now start. Tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is IP, upon adjacent, that is AP. Now tan 60 is root 3 from standard value table. IP, we'll break IP. It is PQ plus IQ upon AP, which is root 3 OP. Shift root 3 OP first. So this will become root 3 into root 3, which is 3 OP. Okay. Now PQ plus IQ. PQ is 36 plus IQ. Now IQ is equal to OQ. IQ is equal to OQ. Image distance is equal to object distance. So I'll substitute OQ over here. Write down, since IQ is equal to OQ, we proved that earlier only in the beginning. Okay, image distance is equal to object distance. Now 33 OP is equal to 36 plus OQ is OP plus PQ. So split it again. Okay. So shift OP over here, 3 OP minus OP is equal to 36 plus PQ is 36. So 2 OP is equal to 72. So OP is equal to 72 upon 2. So OP is equal to 36 meters. We found OP. Now it's very easy. You just need to add OP and PQ and you will get OQ. So OQ is equal to OP plus PQ, which is equal to 36 plus 36, so that gives 72 meters. So write down the final statement. The height of the bird from the surface of the lake OQ is equal to 72 meters. Don't forget to put correct unit.